Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your speaker JBL Boombox 4. You have to start by open JBL Portable application and of course your speaker should be connected with the app and turn on. Then the application open for your speaker menu and you need to scroll down and click at the product information at the bottom. And right here we have software, product, firmware. Firmware is the same as software. So you need to tap at this line with software, and if nothing happens, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you haven't, it will open for you another menu, and at the bottom you'll find the button update. You click at this button, then wait until this update finished. Don't use your speaker, don't close the application, just wait. You need to wait something like 4 minutes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.